Okay? We are the future.
We are the future.
Change starts with us, okay?
Change starts with us.
All right, we are the future. Change starts with us. And we are the future. Change starts with us. And we are the future. Change starts with us. We are the future. Change starts with us.
How has this incident impacted you?
This incident has impacted me because I'm personally not involved with it, but my peers were, and I feel like I have to speak up for them because they can't speak up for themselves. And we're just doing this because we want to raise a community, we want to protect the youth, and we just want to unite everybody as one.
Can I get everybody's attention, please? So right now, what we're going to do is take a moment of silence for those who have been killed, hurt, for the abuse of power. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Matthew McCray. I'm a junior here at NAHS Area High School. I just want to give a round of applause to you guys for coming out. So can we just clap it up, please? The reason why I'm out here is because I believe that NAHS needs to have a change real quick, because years have gone on, and nothing has happened to support the black community and to support any minorities. So I feel as though we need to come together as one and let the district know that we can all come together and be one big family and show the change that we need to have.
We are all out here for one reason: protecting the youth. That's all we ever wanted. I know y'all don't want to get hurt by the police, because I don't want to either. Think about it. We are the future. We are the new generation. Keep it that way. Don't change it for somebody saying one thing and you saying the other. Be yourself, and we are going to be something. That's all I got to say. Period.
How y'all doing? My name is Brutality. I'm a senior here. And I'm gonna be honest. Sunday morning I made that petition. I didn't expect all the support. I expected 60 people, not 600 to sign it. So that's why I'm out here. I can see that people want change. And I can see there's a problem here. I can see we wouldn't have been here if there wasn't a problem. I can see change has to happen, and it's gotta happen now. And there's two sides of this, okay? I don't want y'all divided. I want this to be one, protecting the youth.
Because I know y'all want to be heard. I know y'all tired of, like, being just held to the standard that y'all not.
Alright, my name is Doje. I'm a senior here, and I just want to let everybody know, if y'all out here, thank you for the support, and if you're out here just to be out here, y'all can go back inside. We're here to make a change. We're not here just to get out of school.
Okay, so at this time, we're going to open it up to all of you. If any of you would like to say something, please come forward.
I mean, so like, all I gotta say is that I'm not about to go ahead and pick sides. That's all I'm gonna say is that, like, what had happened could have been handled in a different way. It didn't have to be handled in that way. And that's, of course, like, why we feel like we need to do what we need to do now.
Hello, everybody. My name's Amara Coleman. I'm a junior here. I'm proud of everybody for coming out here. This shows that we're not children. We're not dumb. We don't just think about irrational actions. We are coming out here to show our support. That we matter. We have a voice that matters. The color of our skin doesn't define us. We need change. Something needs to change. And I'm not saying that the police are entirely in the wrong, but something could have changed. Something could have went different.
My name is Sayla Lawson. I'm a junior here, and honestly, I went through a lot to be here at this walkout. I'm putting a lot on the line, so it's good to see that, you know, there's a lot of people here in support whether what side you're on, what you believe happened there was wrong or right. It's just good to see that a lot of people care. And I just want to say that we can't let it stop here. Like, it's good that we had a walkout. It's good that we're showing our support. But if we want change, we have to take action. And in order to take those actions, we have to do it in a peaceful way, because we already are stereotyped as, you know, radical people, and we never really have anything rational to say. But if we want our voices to be heard, we have to say something that people are going to want to hear. And it has to be something without attacking a certain side. So it's just good to see people out here, and I hope you guys are here in support of everything else, you know, we want to do to make a change in Norristown and maybe even other communities, since this is the first time we've had a chance to make a change in something that's bigger than just our community. So I think it's just really good that all of us are out here, and I hope that y'all, you know, keep the same energy that we have here for everything else we want to do. So, thank you.
Hello, my name is Ariel. I'm a freshman. I want to say what I saw at the fair, what I saw disgusted me. I thought it was just, I know one of the people who was slammed on the ground, and I was disgusted. We as a people need to stand together.
I just want to say something else. So all my African American kids here, especially my males here, living in America as a black boy, you have this stereotype that you're a killer, that you rob, that you steal, that you sell drugs, that you do all this bad stuff. So I want to say this to all my black males out here, that y'all need to grow up, come together as one big force, and let these people know that y'all are smart, that y'all are intelligent young African American kids, and that y'all can do anything that y'all want y'all to do, okay? So that's all I wanted to say.
Matt covered the black men, all right? Now it's time for me to talk about the black girls, all right? As females, we need to know how to fight with our minds, all right? We need to know how to fight with our minds and our words, not with our fists unless it's needed, all right? I'm talking about every black female here, or any other, you know, color, don't matter. I'm just saying, like, if a girl looks at you the wrong way, you don't have to have beef for that, because that's how killings happen, that's how bullying happens, that's how suicide happens, and you don't need beef for a look, all right? And if you think somebody look better than you, that don't make no sense. That don't make no sense, all right? So put your fists down and talk through your problems, seriously, because it's not cute. It's not cute.
What y'all need to do, after y'all go to class, go home and study as much as you possibly can. The smarter you are, the more things you'll be able to understand about what's to come. We're in danger. We gotta prepare for what's to come.
Hello. Hey guys. All right. All I want to say is it's a whole bunch of support for like other states and stuff like that. Like when that shooting happened in Florida, everybody was so quick to walk out. But when stuff happened in Norristown, no one got nothing to say. Only the kids got something to say about that. Only the kids the one making changes. Adults trying to rationalize situations when it's about Norristown. But everyone has a negative stereotype about Norristown. If you go to Norristown, you're considered racial, you're considered this and that. But y'all not like. Look at, there's way more kids that go to the school than this. So why aren't they out here?
All right, guys, we're gonna go to each period to get back into the building. Make sure you have your ID. And thanks so much for coming down.
How was this incident impacting you?
It really like took a toll on this whole town, for real. I didn't really expect everybody to be out here like this, you know.
It was good. I think it's something nice for our community. There's not a lot of young black people out here, but it was enough. They show support. I like it. Town support town, so you know.
What do you expect to get out of this?
We expect to get more support from people, because now that they can see that we are serious about the situation and that we can come together and be together and not have everything be like so chaotic as much as they think that is going to happen.
How does this affect you personally?
It affects me personally because I'm an African American young man. I want to let people know that African American kids and minority kids like Hispanic, Latinos, Indians, we can all come together and be one and show the world that we are the change and that we will make Norristown and the community and everything else just better.